Okay, good morning everyone. Today is September 5, 2025, scheduled for the opening of bids of PR number 2025-08080, procurement of spare parts for use in Toyota Hilux PPWH operating code 111715 under quality assurance and hydrology sections within Negros Occidental Port, PO City, with an ABC amount of 146 na siya, 140,960 pesos. So for the back attendance, we have your student Engineer Margaret Pacuri, back chairman. We also have our back vice chairman, Engineer Alex Vigoraina, our back members, Engineer Jerry Garbanzos and Engineer si Andy Perez. We also have our PWG head, Engineer Nino Supera. So let's proceed to the opening of bids for PR number 2025-08080. We have one participating supplier, KGL Office Center Incorporated. So may I request the Secretariat to open it.
Okay, for PR number 2025-08-080 with an ABC of 140,960 pesos only. The bidder or the supplier submitted this bid is PGL Auto Center Incorporated. The bid amount is 140,760 pesos only. 140,760 only. 140,760 pesos only.
716?
760. 760.
Okay, the lowest bidder and loan supplier is PGL Auto Center with bid amount of 140,716 pesos. So the lowest bidder is subject for cost qualification by our technical working group as per their schedule, sir. So is there any question? So if none, the opening of bids of PR number 2025-08080 is officially adjourned. Thank you everyone for coming.